Hi, welcome to Charismindful. I'm Dr. Amy Miltich. This is Honey.
I'm Matthew Hill.
And this is the next part in our series about potential trauma and the situations and factors that can create a trauma and how they relate to the pandemic we're dealing with now. So today we are talking about staying connected and how if you feel a sense of isolation and disconnection, it can lead to trauma for you, for your physical body, and in terms of connection can lead to some other pretty negative things as well. And when I say connection, I mean, how do you stay connected with others? How do you feel alive? We are not, humans aren't designed to be in isolation for their entire lives. So clearly, right now, with this, stay at home, try to, stop the spread of the virus, we are less connected than we normally would be. And think about the conditions that make you feel connected to others and really make you feel alive. When we're connected to other people, there's sort of really a rhythm to our emotions and our interactions with people. So give a thought to that, and then let's talk about how you can modify that, because that's all changed right now.
Yes, it has. What can you do? So you're not running the kids around a carpool, you're not going to soccer practice. Can you eat meals as a family if you weren't doing that before? Are you intentionally texting or phone calls with friends? That's super important. FaceTime, Zoom. I've called my mom more than I have in years. Are you listening to music and sharing those experiences with people? Those are different ways we can stay connected that we did before that you can just slightly modify and be intentional now to remain connected to your friends and your people, your loved ones.
Yeah, it's absolutely going to take more thought and intentionality
Yeah.
than it has in the past to maintain those connections. But the payoff is there for you and for everyone else. If we're not connected, we're disconnected. And there's a man named Johann Hari who wrote a book a few years ago about connections and what the opposite of connection was. And I found it very interesting that the opposite of connection is addiction. So again, try to stay connected as much as you can. Think about it every day. Put something on your calendar, whatever you need to do to reach out to people so that you can get, that feeling and feel connected with others.
And men, don't be shy. We need connection too. It might not be macho, but we need it. So reach out to your friends if you're not feeling connected, because you're not alone. So don't let yourself get lonely.
Thanks for watching today's video.
We hope that it helped you.
If you want to see more of us, don't forget to subscribe and then click the bell to turn on post notifications so that you don't miss a single video.
Check out our website, charismindful.net, and follow social medias in the descriptions below.
And if you have any questions, leave us a comment.
See you in the next one. Bye.